Hello, everybody. Today we welcome Beenal Raichura from Mumbai, Tennaco. She is the HR head for Clean Air Business and 18 years of experience in HR that talks volumes about her persistence. And I'm looking forward to know her success mantra. What has brought her here where she stands today? What is your success mantra, Beenal?
As a woman, I strongly believe that being persistent in whatever you do is something which will bring you and achieve whatever you want in life. So, be persistent all the time, hardworking, and keep going. Don't really stop anywhere. There are ups and downs, happens with every single person, be it a woman or a man. Everyone have their own ups and downs, but you can't stop. Don't let anyone decide for you that it's time that you give your time somewhere else, stop your career. Don't do that. uh, it's important that you keep going. Things will fall in place. You are strong enough. You are um, uh, there are possibilities, there are difficulties, but things overcome over a period of time. So with my experience, I know, with all what came into my picture, things started to overcome on my own because I had my own focus. I kept on and on going on, and was persistent continuously in my career. So that is something, when I stand here and look back, uh, brought me here. So it was what it
Yeah.
was.
Awesome. I now understand why we call these talks wow talks. I'm
Yeah.
already getting goosebumps listening to you, Binal. It is actually Wings of Women initiative by TPC
Okay.
leadership, and I am sure these kind of affirmations that you said, you were
Yeah.
strong enough, you can continue to go on no matter what obstacles come in your way. Some of my words that I heard you say, right, that you shall just keep going on, and nothing shall stop you to decide for yourself. That was so
Yeah.
powerful. It's such a
Yeah.
powerful thing, and things would automatically keep overcoming. Challenges would be triumphed automatically if you continue to move on. That's what I just heard, and that's my summary.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely right. I strongly believe in this. It's absolutely right.
Awesome, great. And we are curious to know, how do you manage your work-life balance, and what are your perspective on work-life balance? What does it mean to you?
For me, work-life balance is very clear. When I'm at work, I can concentrate on work and focus on work and not really think about, oh, I did not give my time to my family. And when I am with my family, I should not have this in my mind, oh, I could not do this, or oh, I could not give that much time to work. I was supposed to do this, I was supposed to do that. I think that is where the balance come in picture. And only when you are happy and you're giving your time enough in both these places is when you really know that your work life balance is going good. Okay. I think with some numbers that I've been looking at in the market, I still feel that women employees do um, feel that they are not spending a lot of time with their families. Okay, then again, they're not spending a lot of time with their friends. A lot of things that they want to do, but they're not able to do it. But honestly, is it only with women? It comes with men also, right? So it's the work-life balance for both. It's gender irrespective, right?
Agnostic,
So
yes.
absolutely. So in such a scenario, what is it that you should do? Definitely, I know that as a woman, the kind of responsibilities that you have are much more higher than maybe a male person in your family may have. But
True.
if you have in mind you want to work, the best thing that okay, it's the best thing that you should do is compartmentalize your mind in such a way that when you are at work, you are able to give 100% to work. But when you are at home, you are again compartmentalizing your mind towards home and giving you 100% at home. Because if you don't do that, and if it starts overlapping, that's where the stress begins. That's where the worry begins, and that's where your entire approach and performance toward work and your family starts to lower down. So compartmentalizing is very important. um, I know it's easy said than done. I do understand this, but this is my own experience and my own example. I used to say, and people used to tell me, it's important that you compartmentalize, don't really think about work when you're home, but it's not possible, right? But
Mm-hmm.
I started to put that in practice. How much ever I'm worried about, okay, this is pending, or that's not done, or what about my career, what about my job? Just
Mm-hmm.
give that 2 hours to your son and see the next day how productive you are automatically at work. And that is something that I strongly believe in again. So,
How true. Being a mother to an 8-year-old, I can completely resonate with what you just said.
yeah,
Yeah, you become more productive at all the spaces when you're happy. Right?
correct,
It's just vice versa. More happier people are
correct.
more productive people are happier. So, yes, I
Yeah.
agree that compartmentalization that you mentioned.
Yeah. So usually what happens is it's very important as a woman that you shouldn't be taking decisions or choices that will make you feel apologetic about yourself. Okay.
Mm, mm,
You work should be your choice. You don't work should be your choice. But don't take that decision basis else has told to you. So
mm.
if you're not really apologetic and you are just following what you want to do, things automatically falls in place. So currently, the way the market and the Indian culture is, we kind of get a little apologetic thinking about, oh, my son, oh, my daughter, oh, my parents,
Mm,
things like
mm,
that.
mm.
But trust me, it's magic. You focus and everything falls in place for you. It's
How
fell in place.
beautiful.
Yeah.
How
People
beautiful.
say I've been reading about. I'm sorry. People say I'm reading about it that women cannot have it all. But I seriously feel women can have it all. Honestly, I have it all. And
Me
so
too.
yeah.
Let's say choose to challenge.
Correct. So I
Yes.
have it all. I don't know why women can't have it all. It's just about prioritizing. It's about choosing what you really want and have it.
Yeah.
So I I strongly believe that this is something that can be followed. It's a magic. It's really a magic is what I feel. I followed this. It turned out well for me.
Awesome. Awesome. It is just reminding me of the Don's movies dialogue, कभी किसी चीज को तुम शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हारे पीछे लग जाती है उसे मिलाने में तुम्हारे साथ लग जाती है and also I say it as a quotation in my book, paths open up to those who open themselves to the paths.
Absolutely
So
right.
yeah, so paths would be created if you are focused enough, if you know really
Correct.
what do you want,
Yeah.
and universe starts to conspire for you
It
to
happened
get
for
you
me.
that.
But yeah, it happened for me.
I
That's why
can
I say it's
imagine.
magic.
Yeah, and your smile says it all, Beenal. Just one last thing, Beenal. What would you suggest advice to the younger generation who is, rising? How would you like them to be as women, entrepreneurs, leaders, team members? What's your
Okay,
advice?
so okay, honestly, I want women to be very happy. I want them to smile. I have my own team, and if they're happy, it feels too good. They're all very young. They're all very, they just started their careers. So when I see them smile, and that comes when you are fulfilled, you are complete, you get what you want. And when I say you get what you want, means you are able to earn and be independent. You are able to meet your friends and spend your time. You're able to do what you want, and you're able to achieve whatever you want. So. Um, what I want the women should know is that this place is awesome. And if you really want something, just go for it. Don't really think that this might not be possible, that might not be possible. As I said earlier, things fall in place all the time. If you want, just go for it. It will fall in place for you. There are so many examples in market which I don't really have to talk about, but there are miracles. There are things happening in society which clearly says that whatever you want you can achieve, so achieve that. Give yourself time, and explore whatever you want. So um, the only thing I can say is be there, be strong, be persistent, and completely like work hard. It's that's the only thing which will take you long way ahead. So that's the only thing I have for people, the women
Awesome.
employees who are currently.
Awesome. Great. I'm completely wowed by your talk, Beenal, honestly. And I'm taking away two mantras for myself. One is hard work
Yeah,
your success doesn't have a shortcut. You need to work hard to get where you want to. And be strong, believe in yourself.
yeah.
Some of my words to your ideas, right? So believing in yourself is really important. And miracles would happen to support you to get to what you want. Be happy.
Be
Awesome. So
persistent, be
many.
happy.
Be happy, be persistent. Amazing. Amazing affirmations for women who are watching this, I believe. So, women, go ahead, believe in yourself, be persistent, be hardworking, and be happy. I think that's what Beenal wants to convey to all the women out there. Thank you,
Thank you.
Beenal, for coming on this Wow Talks initiative for other women. And I'm sure this will become the wind under the wings of other women as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.